Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you two different ways to leave a voice chat party on the PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So there is now two different ways to leave a party chat on your PlayStation 5. So let's create a party real quick by going to the control center and going to game base, and then going down to parties and starting a new party. I'm going to choose close party and then go to one of my message groups. And now that I have a party chat opened up, it's very easy to leave. Now, if you don't have the screen up already, go to the game base and then go to parties, and you should see your available parties right here. So here's Action 6's party, and then there's a huge leave party button right in the center of the screen. Just press that and you can leave the party. Now, another way to get that screen up real quick is if you close everything down, you're in the game, and then double press the PlayStation button real quick. And it'll open up the party screen. It'll go directly to this. And you can go to leave party. And then here are your options under more. And you can see everything under here. Now, another way to see and leave your party is by pressing the PlayStation button once. And then you can see your activity bar on top. And the far left should be where your party is. It says voice chat party action 6. You've joined one voice channel. Now you can mute this by pressing square, or you can press options on it. I'll give you this right here, where you can leave party or group from this menu as well, or you can picture in picture or pin to side. Now we can leave party or group right here. So let's go to leave party, and I'm no longer in that party. So if I go back to parties, I see nothing under here. So there's two different ways you can leave a voice chat party on your PlayStation 5. This video did indeed help you out. Go and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.